Namaste dear children, welcome to class 2 English subject. In today's class I am going to do the exercise part of the lesson, the Christmas song. Page number 66. Fill in the blanks. F main question. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Which are those words? 4 words. Or, see, up, not, they. See, these are 5 words, 5 fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks. Grey cat looked dash and saw robin redbreast sitting on a branch. Grey cat looked up, up, and saw robin redbreast sitting on a branch. Second fill in the blanks. Where dash you going? She asked. And the answer is, where are you going? She asked. Third sentence, third fill in the blanks. Can you dash the spot on my tail? Asked Sly Fox. Can you see the spot on my tail? Asked Sly Fox. Fourth fill in the blanks. I do dash want your crumbs, said Robin. I do not want your crumbs, said Robin. Fifth fill in the blanks. The king and queen asked what dash could do to reward Robin Redbreast. Answer is, the king and queen asked what they could do to reward Robin Redbreast. They means avaru, the king and queen. Here they means the king and queen. Two are there, that's why they. The king and queen asked what they could do to reward Robin Redbreast. Next main question is G. Read the hints and write the words. Choose from the box. Read the hints, write the words. Choose from the box. These are the words. Not, hour, cough, watch, knife, wrong. See first one. I wear this on my wrist. It tells me the time. What it is? It is watch. See, this is a watch. These are the description of a watch. I wear this on my wrist. Wrist means manikattu. It tells me the time. Watch tells us the time. So it is watch. This is a hint like this one. Second one, second hint it is, the opposite of right is, opposite of right is wrong, 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 right, wrong. Third hint is, when we tie something with a string, we make this. That is KNOT, not. Right here KNOT, not means gantu. Gantu kattodu. When we tie something with a string, we make this. With a string, ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗಂಟು ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ, ಗಂಟು. ನಾಟ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಹಿಂಟ್, 60 minutes make 1 hour. HOUR, hour. 60 minutes. 1 hour contains 60 minutes. 60 minutes make 1 hour. HOUR. And the fifth fill in the or hint is, the young one of a cow is a calf. CALF, calf. Young one of a cow. Cow is a old animal, and its young one, newborn. A cow is called calf. Newly born cow, it is calf. Or cow's son or daughter is calf. Sixth hint, we cut a fruit with a dash. We cut a fruit with a knife. KNIFE, knife. See here, K letter is silent. And these are the silent letters. Look at this words, KNOT. K is silent here, not. Though K is present here in this word, we won't pronounce K. Knot, it is not. It is not only, not. NOT, not. We pronounce it as NOT. But actual spelling is KNOT, Guntu. NOT, not, another word is there. And look at this word, HOUR. Though H is present, we won't pronounce H. Our. It is our, not hour. It is our. H silent here. And in the, see this word, CALF, calf. L becomes silent. L is silent here. Calf. Calf, not calf. We want to pronounce L in this word. Look at this word, watch. Watch. T, letter T, WATCH. And we are not pronouncing T. Watch. It is wrong. This is a watch. T we are not pronouncing. Watch. No. Watch. T, letter T is silent here. This one, knife. KNIFE, knife. But K silent here. We just pronounce NIFE, knife. But we need to write KNIFE, knife. And the last word is wrong. WRONG, wrong. But W silent here. RONG we pronounce. Wrong. Wrong, not wrong. RONG we pronounce, but we need to write WRONG, wrong. And this one, read aloud the words that you have filled in above. You don't hear all the letters. Circle the silent letter in each word. Oh, just now what I said, that is about this heading. Circle the silent letter in each word. All these words, which are the letters, silent letters, you need to circle. In KNOT, not, K is silent. In HOUR, H is silent. In CALF, L is silent. In WATCH, T is silent. In KNIFE, K is silent. In WRONG, W is silent. And next, understand grammar. Adjectives, articles. I will take this one in the next class. You please fill F main question and G main question in your textbook. Children, take care of yourself. Be happy, be safe in your home. Dhanyavad.